In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a workflow automation using Wix, a powerful platform for building and managing websites. This will enable you to facilitate interactions with your clients or members efficiently by automating repetitive tasks. Let's dive right in. First, make sure you are logged into your Wix dashboard using the Chrome browser. While you can access your Wix account using different browsers, Chrome is often preferred for its reliable performance and compatibility with most web apps. Once you're in the dashboard, navigate your way to the left side panel. Here you'll see various options that Wix offers to manage and promote your site. For this task, click on Marketing and CRM. This section is dedicated to all things related to customer relationship management and marketing strategies. Within this option, you'll find Automations. Click on it, and it will guide you to the area where you can start crafting your automated workflows. Once you are inside the Automation section, look for the button that says Create New Workflow. It's typically prominently displayed, inviting you to start automating your processes. Click on it to initiate a new workflow creation process. Now, this is where the fun begins. You'll start by choosing your triggers. Triggers are essential as they determine what actions kickstart the automation. Depending on your needs, you might select triggers such as when a form is submitted on your website or when a new member signs up. These triggers allow you to specify what user behavior should set off the automation. So think about the common tasks or interactions you have and pick the most suitable trigger that aligns with them. Now, after deciding on the trigger, it's time to set up actions. Actions are what your system will automatically perform following the trigger. For instance, if you chose a form submission as your trigger, you might set the action to send an automatic thank you email to the user. Alternatively, you could update their contact status within your CRM. These actions help maintain seamless communication with your clients or users, enhancing their overall experience while reducing the workload on your end. When you're satisfied with how your workflow looks, don't forget to save it. This will ensure that all your customized settings are stored correctly. Look for a button or icon that says Save. It's usually at the bottom or the top right corner of the screen. Lastly, ensure that your workflow is activated. Activation is crucial because without it, your beautifully crafted automation won't execute. You should see an option or slider to activate the workflow. Once that's done, your automation setup is complete. So there you have it, a step-by-step guide to creating automated workflows in Wix. With these automations, you're one step closer to streamlining your operations and improving your engagement with your audience. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on maximizing your use of Wix to grow your business.